Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Sublime on your Windows machine. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you have to do is open up your Google Chrome, and in the search box you have to write Sublime Text 3 and hit enter. Now the first link which will ever appear on your screen is the link to download Sublime Text. Let's give it a click. Now we are on the official page of Sublime Text 3. Now you have to click on Windows 64-bit because we are using Windows machine. After clicking on the Windows, you will see that the package will get downloaded. And when the download gets finished, you have to double click on the package and the installation will get started. And now you have to go through installation process by hitting next and install buttons. After the installation gets completed, all you have to do is go to your startup menu and search for Sublime. And you can see that the Sublime Text 3 has been successfully installed on your system and we are ready to code.